is back, baby. The grind don't stop. Them shifts go crazy. Hey man, what it do, bro? Get this little POV in for y'all boys, man. Before we do, actually, I gotta hold up, bro, cause yeah, what it do, man? It's your boy Brian. Here, bro, go talking again, bro. You know he always like to spit some game and say something, bro. So let's see what he got to say right now. Hey, bro, I'm gonna go get some tent right now, so y'all boys stay tuned for that. And bro, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV too. So we're gonna do all that in this video right here. And before we do that, I gotta put y'all on some game, bro. In life, fam, there's always finna be setbacks, bro. Always finna be setbacks, bro. It's just on you, bro. Like, how bad do you want it? How bad do you really want to change the person that you are today for the person that you want to be in the future, bro? How bad do you want that success that you depict in your eyes, bro? Like, whatever success may look for you, bro, how bad do you want that? You know what I'm saying? Like, it's many things that is finna happen to set you back, but as long as you never stop, failure is not an option. No matter what, bro, if you just don't stop and you keep going at it, who's gonna say you're gonna fail, bro? Because you never stop. You feel me? Like, it's real, bro. It's real life right there. Especially getting right with God, bro. It's gonna be a lot of trials and tribulation. But hey, bro, if you never stop and you keep going, bro, God loves that right there, bro. The effort, just trying. Not to say you're not doing good right now, bro. I promise all of y'all probably doing wonderful right now, bro. Don't ever think that you're not doing enough. Don't ever think that you far behind, but everybody racing. Everybody's in their own race. So just lock in, bro, and keep it pushing, bro, because life ain't finna stop for nobody. So just keep going, bro. But let's get into this POV, man. I know that's what y'all here for. Let's do it, bro. Dang, I ain't gonna lie, bro was talking, bro. Like, he was snapping. You feel me? He done throw in a little music to make it seem a little, you feel me? Like, shoot, he caught me lacking with that one. Safety first. Let's get it, bro. I'm so tight, I just like miss so much recording, bro. But hey, man, like what I was just saying, bro, I really rock with y'all boys, bro. Y'all just been real, bro. Y'all been nothing but real, and I respect that. I love that, bro, cause man, y'all keep me going, bro. Y'all keep me wanting to push out more content and keep, you feel me, showing y'all boys love and bettering myself. Cause why would I want to push y'all boys on game and I'm not bettering myself? You feel me? I can't tell y'all to do something I ain't doing it myself. Hey, but this mug too fun, bro. Y'all boys been showing the utmost love, bro. I rock with y'all. Even like the constructive criticism, bro, I could take it, man. If y'all feel like y'all want to see something, man, let me know, bro. You feel me? Like, we all family out here, bro. We all family out here, bro. So, hey, man, I'm finna get this tent. Y'all boys just stay tuned for that, bro. Do not click off the video. Watch the video through, man. y'all boys been, man? Y'all boys rocking with the game I'm giving, bro. Y'all boys like the video. If you new, man, subscribe. If you're watching from somewhere else out of Florida, or if you're in Florida, man, let me know where you're watching from, bro. Let me know all of that. Let me know all of that, man. Hey, bro, like, this YouTube stuff a different game, bro. Like, if you really love doing it, it's gonna be a whole bunch of fun, but like, if you don't like doing YouTube, bro, don't even get into it, man. Cause it's a lot of setbacks and stuff, like with anything in life, bro. Y'all know that. But hey, man, we just been pushing out this content. I ain't been as consistent as I want to be, but hey, we finna change that up, bro. Cause I know y'all boys want to see more content and stuff like that, bro. Hey, bro, I had to take off my headset just for some, but like I can't miss the content now. See, y'all just gonna get it like this for a little bit. Traffic, bro. It don't never fail. I know about traffic, bro. Especially in Florida, man. It's deadly. Traffic do not play with nobody. If y'all want to see any other type of content, man, let me know what y'all boys trying to see. Let me know what y'all rocking with, what y'all not rocking with. Y'all just let me know, bro. We all family out here, man. I'm gonna pick it up when I'm getting the tent done, and I'm gonna let y'all know after everything's over with. I'm gonna rock with y'all, man. Y'all like the video if you're watching to this point, though, man. Hey, man, it's your boy Brian, and we is back. But what we got that tent. I mean, bro, took long enough to get some tent, bro. Riding around with the dang big old thing on your head, like fishbowl and all, people looking at you crazy. Like, took long enough. I ain't gonna lie. It was long overdue, my boy. But hey, bro, we here now. I'm finna go stop. Wait, hold up, bro. Y'all know you seatbelts don't get nobody a break. See it fully. Everything looking splendid right now. Now I can have this crazy head mount on my head without people seeing it, for real. Look, I just told you that. Looking crazy. Got the looking like a unicorn. I just told you that. Feel me? Now we is good and locked in. More mods coming soon. Y'all boys stay tuned. Boy, stay tuned, man. Let's see what's going on back here, man. Man, we got the tent finally going, bro. No more fishbowl in the front. That's how we looking, bro. Looking crazy as I don't know what, man. I guess y'all a little walk around. Get back to this little POV. Finna go back to the crib. If y'all want more content, man, go ahead, like and subscribe on the video. Let me know what else y'all want to see, man. Let's do it. Man, if y'all rocking with this little POV like this, bro, y'all let me know. Cause I'm rocking with it low key, man. I'm rocking with it, bro. How y'all been, bro? Y'all boys comment down below. How y'all been, bro? What y'all been up to? Feel me? We family out here, bro. Y'all gotta let me know the real, bro. Just like that. You can't even lie, bro. You know that transition was clean, bro. That. You feel me? Hey. We is back, baby. The grind don't stop. Get into this grind daily, man. Y'all know how we coming, bro. Y'all know we giving y'all that content when we really doing it. Y'all boys want that real content that I was giving before I could give y'all that, bro. But Y'all boys better be showing love and watching the video through, man. If y'all not watching the video through, I'm not finna give y'all that content, bro. For real. If y'all want it, man, y'all gotta show the love back, bro. I can't be showing y'all love and y'all ain't showing me no love, bro. Come on, man. It don't work like that, bro. Let's do it. Let's do it, bro. I got some more stuff coming to the channel, bro. To be honest, I'm finna go get me, like, next year. Finna go get a scat, bro. Like, y'all listening to it right now, bro. I'm finna go get a scat next year, bro. I'm finna go do some crazy things to it. That's when I feel like more things gonna pop off for the channel. I could be more consistent. Right now, things is not where I want it to be, but I ain't never gonna stop a grind, you feel me? That ain't never stopped the grind, man. Ever, bro. I love y'all boys for sticking with me, man, for being loyal, for showing love all the time. Y'all the realest, man. I rock with y'all heavy, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Them shifts go crazy. Hey, man, I'm finna just be in this slow line of traffic, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut the video out right there, man. Y'all boys the realest for watching to this point. Y'all boys comment down below, like the video. I rock with y'all, bro. Y'all OGs, man. I love y'all for real, cause we gonna continue to go up, bro. That's all I'm saying, bro. If y'all just rock with me, y'all gonna see the growth. And I'm gonna remember y'all, bro. I can't forget the OGs, man. I can't. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, bro. Let me know if y'all rocking with this content. We're gonna continue pushing on. Let's do it.